Now multiplication of two 2D matrices. C matrix equals to A matrix multiplied by B matrix. A and B, this is C. But what is the condition for multiplication? As we know, the multiplication of matrix started with this and this. First value multiply. That means A 0 0 multiply by B 0 0. Next, this multiply by this multiply. It is 0 1 and it is 1 0. Plus A 0 1 into B 1 0. Now this multiply. This is 0 2 and this is 2 0 index plus A 0 2 into B 2 0 and addition of all these. This is at which location? C 0th location. It is C 0 0. C 0 0, what is this? C 0 0 index value will be result in A 0 0 multiply by B 0 0. This one multiply this one plus this one plus this one will be result at C 0 0th index. As we can perform, for example, we have same 1 2 3 and this one we have the values as 1 1 1 and 4 5 6 7 8 9, same 1 1 1 1 1 1. Matrix order is 3 by 3 and 3 by 3 will resultant matrix. 1 multiply by 1, then it's 1 plus 2 multiply by 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6, where it will respond here at 0 0 index C 0 0. Next, C 0 1 equals to this. Now this column, this row and row of A and column of B, this one multiply by this one, then what will be the index values of these? A 0 0, this one, or what is the index of this? Is 0 1 multiply by B 0 1. Then addition of A, this one matrix A 0 1 multiply by this one B 1 1 plus A this one into B this one value. What is this? 2 1. Where it will result? A 0 0, 1 into 1, 2 into this, 3 into this, that is also 6. It will respond here at 0 1 index, that is 6. So as we can check 0 0, if I take for C ij, then we can write it as ij, but we can't write it as ij, so we have to take in this as another loop. As we can check I j, then I j, this is also I j and j. 0 1 index, 0 0 index is 0. A first index 0 and B last index as 0. A first index as 0, B last index as 0, and A first index as 0 and B last index as 0. In another C01 index, I is equals to 0 and J equals to 1. Here we can check as A row is 0 and B column is 1 as Ij. Same 0 1 and then 0 1. First and last is common as the resultant matrix. That means we can say the I and J for this. Now this is second value. This one is common. In this multiplication, this is common. In this is common. In this is common. And 0 0 is fixed for 0 0. That means I J loop is fixed and this one is going on. 0 first, then 1 for value 1, then for value 2. Next for this is again loop started. I is fixed, J increases for J equals to 1. Then K for initially going on. If we write it as K, this is for K equals to 0, this is for K equals to 1, this is for K equals to 2, this is for K equals to 0, K equals to 1 and then K equals to 2. So we will write the matrix loop. We have to write for matrix 3 loops. First, for I equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. For J equals to 0, J plus plus. And then for K equals to 0, K less than 3 and K plus plus. What we will write? Cij equals to Cij plus Aik multiply by Bkj. Initially Cij equals to 0. We will start this loop. Now I equals to 0, J equals to 0, Cij, C00 is 0. Then initially we have this as 0 plus Aij, Ik. If we take this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. This is initially 0 and then Aik. I is 0, K is 0. Then 0 0 index 1 into 1. This one is 1 into B Kj. K is 0 and J is 0. Then this one 0 0 index 1 into 1, that is 1. Next it will assign the value here C00. That means C00 is now 1. Again loop goes on. I is fixed, J is fixed. Then K is equals to value change for 1. Now C00 plus A 0 1 into B 1 0 equals to, it's 1 as we know from here, plus A01 is 2 into B10 is 1. That is 1 plus 2, that is 3. Now again its value is C0 and 0 going on. Next again value change from K equals to 2. Then C00 is now 3 plus A02 into B20 is equals to 3 plus A02 is 3 into, it's 1. 3 plus 3, that is 6. or directly we can check 1 plus 1, that is 1, plus 2 plus 3 into 1, 3, that is 6, that is also 6. Then that means C00 is 6. So this is the matrix statement. Matrix multiplication statement we will write as this one. For another loop, why we are writing third one loop, as index is changing for C00 itself. C00 we have earlier discussed is it as C00 plus A00 into B00. Again addition of 01 into B10. Again 02 into B20. Addition of all three respond to at C00. In place of writing again this and this for program, what we will do? First, input R1 and C1. That means input rows and columns for A matrix. Then input R2 and C2 for B matrix. Then for multiplication of matrix, what we will check? Column of first matrix equals to column of row of second matrix. C1 equals to R2, then only multiplication is possible. If not, this condition is not satisfied, then multiplication is not possible and resultant will be in R1 into C2 form. Then next third, input A matrix as earlier we have done, then input B matrix as earlier we have completed it. Then next for loop for I, J and K. For loop for I, J and K, and then what we will write? C, I, J equals to C, I, J plus A, I, K into B, K, J. I loop is as from 0 to R1, J loop from 0 to C2, and then K loop with C1 or R2 from 0 to C1, or we can write it as 0 to R2, and this one formula. And we will not forget to initialize here Cij equals to 0, where after I and J loop. After I and J loop, we will initialize Cij equals to 0, then K loop, then Cij equals to Cij plus Aik into Bkj, and last one we will print matrix C and then stop. First, as we have done earlier, what? Input rows and columns for A, input rows and columns for B. Then we will check if column of first matrix and row of second matrix both are equal, condition satisfied, then only matrix multiplication is possible. Then what we will do? Input A matrix, input B matrix. Then for loop for I from where 0 to R1, then J loop 0 to C2, and then K loop up to C1 or maybe R2. We will not initialize to forget Cij equals to 0 after I and J loop. Then Cij equals to this one and then print Cij and then stop. Thank you.